Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we'll see how to read a file using Python. So for this I have created a text file and we want to read this file, and the file content says something like, hey, welcome to this video, enjoy your learning journey and cheers. So today we'll see how you can do this file operation, reading a file using Python. For this, let me just go ahead and create a file object which looks something like file, and I'll call this inbuilt function open. When we are calling this open, it expects definitely a something like the file which you want to read, right? So I'll just pass this as constant coder.txt, and it also needs which mode we want to read the file, or which we want to which actions we should perform. So we want to read the file or write the file, or which you want to append the file, or we want to read and write the file. If you want to read the file, just we have to pass it as R. If you want to just write, then W, and if you want to append, yes, A. So in this video I'm just reading the file, so I'm just giving it as R, and successfully we have created a file object. And let me just go ahead and show you the output for this file. So I'll just print it out for you and see. Let's see if it works. Hopefully, yep, it's successfully printing the output for us. And so yes, we're able to read this file. This file object also have some other properties, something like we can also get the name of the file and the mode in which it is open. So sometimes these are highly required for validation purpose, but yes, it's good to know such things also. You never know. So yes, we are able to get the file name also. So now if you want to see what is the mode of it, then we'll just do something like file.mode, and we'll check what output it gives right now just by running it. And you can see it's passing and giving the output as R, which is the read mode right now. But this is really not the recommended way of file operation and reading a file. In a short while I'll show you which is the recommended way, but before that let me show what happens actually. In this case, the file we have opened is still open and it's been not closed. So sometimes when a piece of code is accessing that another piece of code, or the cannot access these things, and explicitly we have to close this. Actually, for this we have to just write file dot close. Like we open the close method, like we call the open method, we have to also call this close method. So seamlessly it will now go and close the file, but we won't see if file is being closed. For this I just have to show you something else like file dot closed, and this should return true for us. If this returns true, our file has been closed. So let me go ahead and check this. Yes, it returns true. So our file has been closed. But as I said, this is really not the recommended method, and I will show you in a while which is the recommended method. Just let me comment it out because we don't need it anymore. Um, the recommended way of method to reading a file with a piece of block which comes inbuilt with Python is with this one. Like we'll start something like this with, and I'll just go ahead and I'll copy this thing because it remains same as it is, and I should open as like this, and I just have to print it via this one. So my point of argument here is now, why this and why not this? The Python sees this as a piece of block for the file operation, and it makes sure that once we exit this code part, the file is automatically closed and we do not have to explicitly close it. That is the beauty here, and that I can check here by just this piece of code. And I'll show you here if my file has been closed. um yep 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 So here we go, and let me also comment this out so that it doesn't create confusion for you. So we are just doing this one, and let me see if the file is really closed. So yes, as you can see here, here that is true, returning true. So yes, our file is being closed. So yes, that's it for the timing, guys, and I will see you in my next video. And like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos, and I'll go through the more file operations of it. Till then, take care, guys, and never give up. Keep learning. Cheers.